Excuse me, Miss Sarifa, I have comments for you.
All right, everybody, any comment?
Excuse me, Miss Sarifa, I have comments for you.
Yes. Miss Nurhayati.
I think your presentation is good. Your topic, I think it's good because this is our condition to about online learning, and there are some, when your presentation, your eyes contact, I think not focus to to our audience, include me, and then maybe your language you can practice more, but it's good for your presentation. All right, good job, Miss Sharifa. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, thank you, Miss Nurhayati. Any comment?
Any comment, Miss Sarifa?
Yes.
I think your presentation you good. Your PowerPoint you good. Although earlier there's your problem regarding the network, but we are still good at presenting this presentation. You're good. Your voice in delivering the presentation is also good. I think that's all, and thank you, Miss Sarifa.
I have comment for you, Miss Sharifah. Miss Sharifah. Excuse me, Miss Sharifah.
Yes, Miss Bella.
I have comment for you.
Yes.
I think your presentation is good. Your attitude is good. Your PowerPoint is unique and interesting. But I cannot see and hear because the network was bad and Miss Harifah voice broke. But it's okay. I will try to
Yeah.
understand again letters. Good job, Miss Harifah.
All right, thank you, Miss Bella, for your comment. Any more comment?
Comment, Miss Sarifa.
Yes, Miss Supi Andani.
I think your presentation you good.
Thank you.
You good. Thought earlier there's your problem regarding the network, but we are still good at presenting this presentation. You good. Your voice during the presentation is also good. I think that's all, and thank you, Miss Harifa.
Thank you, Miss Supi. Any more comment? Miss Nurul Azila, have you comment?
Mr. Ripa, I have comment for you. Again,
Yes, Miss Nurhayati.
I think when you're wait a minute. I think your presentation there are problems like the connection, your network is bad, and I think
Yes,
that's
right.
beyond our we are about your presentation because the presenter always talk and continue again. I think that's not good, but uh, that's that's the problem about signal connection. I think for future our presentation the connection the network is good, so we can get the information what the Miss Sharifa told to our. Alright, so for me, thank you.
Okay.
All
Thank you, Miss
comment
Nurhayati,
Rifa.
for your comment. Yes, Miss Nurul.
I think your presentation on good topic is good, fine,
Thank you.
and it rise a little bit more. You are pronounced. Thank you, Miss Arifa.
Thank you, Miss Nurul.
I have comment Miss Sharifa.
Yes, Miss Supi Andani.
I think your PowerPoint you good and very interesting. I want you to add more instinct to your PowerPoint so that they are easy to understand and me understand. Order are good still. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Supi.
Yes, you're welcome.
5 minutes more.
Miss Tengku Rahmat Trisha, have you comment for me? Hello, Miss Tengku.
No, I no comment for you.
Alright, everybody. Any comment more? Like every uh, no one wants to comment. Today you are all willing to listen to my presentation material. Thank you for participation. And sorry, because there is a little problem the network in my page, so you feel comfortable with delivery of the material that I give. I'm sorry and I end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are still have time, but only 20 seconds. You can wait. Alright, everybody, because the time is over, so we're gonna let's move on the five presenter. Yes, Miss Subiandini. For Miss Subiandini, you can prepare your presentation or your PowerPoint right now. Alright, Miss Subiandini, you can start your presentation right now.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, and how are you today, friends?
Hello,
Hello,
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi.
I'm fine, thank you. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Supi Andani. You can call me Supi. I am studying at the Martin Rajaliaji University. Here, I want to explain a little the PowerPoint result that I have made myself about the negative and positive impact of the distance learning during the COVID-19 pandemic. Here, we know not that the impact of corona is very difficult. Here, I will explain everything relates to COVID-19. Okay, next. Understanding of online learning. Before, I want to ask all of you, do you know what understanding of online learning means? Do you know that, T?
Yes, I know. I think online learning like we study, but uh, use like the application like Google Classroom and another like Edmodo, not face to face. I think that like that.
Yes, that's right. Another, Bella Finalisti, you know?
No, I don't know. I know, but um, you you explain to me again.
Okay, I understand now. Okay, in other senses, all right, I will explain everything. Online learning means a learning that is done online. Using learning application or social network, online learning is learning that is carried out without going face to face, but through existing platform or online learning that uses internet network with accessibility, connectivity, flexibility, and the ability to emerge different types of learning interaction. Okay, next. There are several kinds of negative impacts of the distance learning, namely, okay, one, threat of dropping out of school, child at risk, dropped out of school because he was forced to work to help the family economy. Two, decrease in learning achievement, the education office found the difference in access and quality during distance learning. 3. Limited internet quota as a support facility for online learning. 4. Face-to-face learning activities in class produce better academic achievement than distance learning. 5. Children do not sociality. And last one, without school, children have the potential to become victims of domestic violence that the actor does not detect. Okay, next. Okay, positive impacts of distance learning. 1. Children have a lot of time at home with family. 2. Various learning methods rather than just being in the classroom. No, they are more flexible in learning from home. 3. Children are sensitive and adapt to change. 4. Like it or not, children must explore technology. 5. Some children feel comfortable learning from home because no one is bullying. Well, those are all positive effects of the distance learning online. Actually, there are many more, but I cannot explain all of them because our time is also short. Most importantly, it is an important point of positive impacts. Okay, next. Right. Step to overcome distance learning problem. Number 1, parents join the study. Number 2, parents learn to understand technology. Number 3, parents need to exercise patience. 4. Parents ensure availability of equipment. Number 5. Parents also need to consult with teacher. Number 6, actually there are many more ways to solve it, but I don't can explain everything. I just have to explain the point. Okay, next. Conclusion. Online learning has several impacts on students, namely online learning still confuse students, collect students to be passive, less creative and productive, accumulation of information or concept the students are less usable. Students experience stress and interest in language literacy skill collect students. This can be an evaluation so that online learning can endeavor to be well researched by students without compromising the essential education itself. In this case, to encourage collaboration between parents and children. All right, next. Uh, Suggestion. The suggestion that I can give to the parties involved include A. Government. To the parties concur that the Minister of Education has a authority to function, regulation, create rules for school and students. Expected to be able to provide regulation, creates rules for school and students. Expected to be able to provide learning times that suit the child ability. For example, in the education of children early horse profits direction that the time and tasks are not too long, so make children quickly bored studying at home and at the duration in on days study time. Okay, B, school. The school are able to make report on children learning outcome or houses with online media get read and handed over the utility governments make an exit of teaching and learning activities from the school every week. Partly the school participate in helping the student parents financially by giving discounted tuition for 8 months because it is very useful for people, net student, parents every day. The school, especially the teacher, provides teaching material and equipment to the child in an efficient and effective manner outside of the child operates raise hard rules from the government. Okay, the school facilities teach, teaching material and equipment that are not can be done in online media or online, for example, extracurricular and activities. Next, C, parents and children or students. Parents participate in the learning of children who are given assignment by teacher and supervising children at home while learning through online media or online and supervising children at home while learning through. Parents are the most important things in implementing learning online. where the child which use a cell phone in studying and making assignment. So that children do not abuse cell phone. It is used to play games, watch movies, and see what is not proper on their cell phones. Parents must provide support and encouragement to children so that they want to follow the direction of the teacher to study and to assignment given by teacher. Okay, why? Why? Um, okay. With the current online learning model, there are some students who accept online learning because the online learning model is more relaxed, fun, flexible, efficient, short, practical, fast, precise, safe, easy, time or saving, energy efficient. This method can also be done remotely without gathering in the same place. In addition, another benefit of the online learning model is that parents can supervise their children learning, make student or teacher becomes technology literate, accelerates the 5 era improve abilities in the field of technology sciences. Students also becomes more creative in completing their assignment, can condition themselves as comfortable as possible to learn without formal rules. They take advantage of existing technology for the benefit of maybe one of the good information and needs to be improved in the digital process considering the need to master the information technology system in developing skills in the sophisticated 5 era. Right? Okay, right. Online learning has several impacts on students, namely online learning still confuse students, collect students to be passive, less creative, and productive. Accumulation of information or concept. The students are less usable. Students experience stress and increase in language literacy skill. Collect student. This can be an evaluation so that's time so that online learning can endeavor to be well received by students without compromising the agency's education itself. In the incorrect collaboration between parents and children. Okay, why? The coronavirus is now a frightening specter because it caused an anxiety to the world community. Coronavirus family Coronaviridae is named corona because its body structure look like a crow is a larger family of viruses that causes infection of the respiratory tract both in animals and humans. Although this virus is mostly found in animals to human and then from human to human. Or World Health Organization stated that the diseases from the coronavirus called COVID-19 has an abbreviation of coronavirus diseases which average in this coronavirus is a new type that was originally found in Wuhan, Hubei province, and China, has declared a world emergency over the spread of the coronavirus, which is a widespread that all parties must participate in increasing its surveillance sense of public health. The Indonesian government is starting to be quick and responsive to encourage its citizens to implement social distancing or isolate themselves at home to anticipate and the spread of the virus that is increasingly